Alright, so on my previous video, I've been trying to raise more accounts as small as 10 cents, 20 cents, $1.50, trying to raise it to at least $100. But in today's video, I decided to fund $84.84, and I'm trying to raise it to at least maybe 1,500 using the same concept of B.O.R. Okay, so this strategy has been doing wonders. So let us wait and see if the market is going to give us the amount that we are going to target, which is 1,500. Okay, so as usual, I did my analysis, I drew my inner trend line, and then I waited for a reversal pattern, and then there was a trend line bounce on the rejection area, and then after that I ended my sell position. As well as speaking right now, I'm already in sell. Okay, I'm already in sell. So on the trend line bounce right there, that's when I ended my sell, and you can see I ended 0.1 lot size, and right now they are 6 position. So I'm gonna add more, maybe 10 position. I'm gonna add maybe at least 10 position, and then we'll start from there, because I can see that my stop loss is a little bit far.
A few moments later.
Alright, so it's almost 5 hours later after entering a sale on volatility 75 1S. Okay, so this is the reason why I always say patience pays, right? So let us check what we have made so far on V75 one sale from a balance of $84.84. Okay, so let's go to MT5. Okay, so this is actually the results. You can see by yourself that we are now in the profits. Okay, there was a huge drop on V75 1S, and the reason why I took this sale, I just want you to see why I took this sale. Okay, so right here, first thing I had to draw my trend line, right? This was the first pick, and right here was the second pick, and right there was a breakout, and the market came on this resistance zone, and it's only that I was offline. I couldn't manage to take a sale right here. I should have sale right here. I should have sold this pair from starting from here all the way down. Okay, but unfortunately I was offline, so I had to take advantage for the third move. Okay, so after reaching this level, the market came again on the same resistance. It came on this trend line, and there was a retest on the resistance zone, and at the same time there was a reversal pattern. After all this, I ended my sale, and boom, right now we are in deep profits. Okay, we're in deep profit. So the reason why most people lose money in the market is because they complicate trading, of which it's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be that complicated. You know, the reason why I've been posting only small accounts, the reason why I've been posting only small account trades is I know majority of you guys who are doing trading, you are not able to fund big accounts. Okay, so I was showing you that it's possible to trade any small account. Okay, it's possible to trade any small account. What matters is the skill. Okay, what matters is the skill. It's not about the account balance. Okay, so right now I want to take this $84 to 1,500. So let us wait and see what the market is going to give us. Okay, let's wait and see how much the market is going to give us. So right now the trade is retracing. And I'm not flexing. I'm just showing you that once you have this key, you can make an amount. Okay, this is my daily dashboard. It's not that much, but at least there's something, right? It's not that much, but there is something, right? Since we are in deep profits, you see, we're in deep profits. So I'm gonna close on $400 profits. I guess I have to close on $400 profits, and I'm going to end another trade, maybe to 1,000, and then after 1,000 I will take it to 1,500. So that's my trading plan, right? So this was a small retracement, so once it breaks this level, there's going to be a huge drop, maybe to this level 92.37. That's going to be a huge drop to level 93.37. So I guess the target, I have reached the target. I will close at $400 profit. I'll close at $400 profit. No need to be greedy. 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 You see? It's like ABCD. I've just made 300 real quick right now. Trading is very easy once you have mastered your strategy, okay? The reason why a lot of people are losing money is because they don't have a strategy. Once you have a strategy, you will realize that each and every day you are doing something, right? You are doing something. That's why it's called a strategy, because you have to keep on repeating same thing every day. You have to keep on repeating something every day. So 401 right now, and I acted right here. And no need to be greedy. Of course, the market was going to keep on going down, but I have reached my target. No need to keep on holding. I have reached my target. So right now, I'm gonna wait for the market to give us another setup, and then I'll take this $400 to 1,000. Let's just wait and see. I'll keep on updating each and every process which I'm going to go through. Okay, I'm going to update you each and every process which I'm going to go through. So I'm doing all this to show you that trading is not complicated. Trading is not that hard. Okay, and at the same time, these types of video can help you to have confidence when you're entering trades, because I'm showing you what exactly I do in my real account, and it's easy for you to repeat the same process once you see how exactly I'm doing it. Okay, so it's good for your psychology, and instead of getting pressure from this type of videos which shows profits, don't be pressurized. Okay, take that pressure into motivation, and also to see what's possible. Okay, you have to take this type of coin to see what's possible. Well, so right now I just saw a good buying opportunity on Crash 300, and with the basics of price action, you cannot be able to take these types of entry, because what I'm anticipating right here is a big buy on Crash 300, and is supposed to break all the previous resistance. Okay, so this one is gonna be long buy, because I'm anticipating to break all the previous resistance. Though this pair was consolidating, so I'm anticipating it to go all the way up, breaking those previous consolidation. So you can only be able to see this when you're using the B.O.R strategy. It rarely miss. Okay, it rarely miss.
A few moments later.
Well, I am in floating profits of 739, and I just have to close. I closed with 1,141 from 401 USD, which is not bad. Okay, I've managed to double the account. Okay, so I ended these trades yesterday at around 10, and I closed around 6 a.m. in the morning. So it's about 8 hours of holding this trade. Okay, so this is what I mean when I say patience pays, right? This is what I mean when I say patience pays. So this was my analysis. Okay, I drew my inner trend line as always, connected the first peak, the second peak, and then on the third there was a breakout and a retest, and on the retest there was a rejection candlestick. Okay, and then after that rejection candlestick, the market went up. Okay, the market went up, and I ended on the blue arrow. That's when I ended, and you can see that as soon as I ended, there was no any retracement. Okay, I just ended, and then boom, the trades went exactly in my favor. Okay, so this is the power of using the B.O.R, and this is something which I'm giving you guys for free. Okay, so the only thing that you have to do right now is to practice, right? The only thing that you need to do is to practice, and if you have questions, I always take into consideration your request. So it's wise for you guys to just say what you want me to talk about on my next video. You can just comment in the comment section, so that's take your request into consideration. You can say that I'm growing this account step by step. So 15 minutes later, I saw another opportunity on step index, and as usual, I drew my inner trend line. And as I always say, first touch, second touch, breakout, then a retest, and on the retest there must be a rejection zone. So this setup is worth taking risk, because it is all the confirmation and all the conditions that we need for us to take an entry, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, right? So I just entered the trade with lot size of $3, and I've got around 7% right now. So after I entered the trade like this, I leave the rest to the market, right? So let's wait and see how the market is going to react to my analysis. But what I know is my strategy rarely miss. Okay, it rarely miss. Once I do the analysis, it's rarely disappoints. So let's see. So I will come back and check later, maybe after 30 minutes, or maybe after 20 minutes, because the lot size which I have put right here is a little bit big. So we don't need that much time. Okay, we don't need that much time. The lot size is a little bit big, so I guess in a few minutes it's either I will be in a deep profits, or I will be in deep loss. But because of the accuracy of the strategy, it's like I command the market, right? It's like I command the market to go in my favor. So I worry about nothing. I don't worry about nothing. I will come back and check later.
A few moments later.
Well, step index made a move well beyond my expectation, right? Was targeting only 300, but I ended up with 1000. Okay, so I'm gonna close right now, so you can check where I ended the trade and where it is right now. There was no any drawdown. As soon as I ended it, boom, went according to my plan. So that's it.